What's up guys, Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. It's going to be a pretty quick one. I really just wanted to kind of put this out there for anyone that is struggling with your affiliate marketing. This video is going to help you out massively because it's going to show you what you should be focusing on as opposed to what you shouldn't be focusing on as much, right? Anyway, if this is the first time on the channel, welcome. My name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, and you'll want to learn more about affiliate marketing and high-ticket affiliate marketing conversion processes, first of all, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash the bell icon to start the day with everything I'm putting out. And of course, last but not least, if you'd like to check out a free case study of how I was able to go from $0 to $10,000 per month without any paid ads or anything fancy of that nature, click that link below, check that out, and look forward to catching up with you guys at some stage. Anyway, let's jump straight into it. So here's the common mistake that I see in the industry for both my students and I guess a lot of people around the affiliate marketing game in general. And I feel pretty qualified to speak on this because this was my journey. And I can speak about what I've concentrated on first and why that took me so long to actually get any traction in what I was doing. So circa 2011, some of you guys may have heard the story if you've been following my channel for a little while, but I started affiliate marketing, and essentially what I was trying to do is bring my offline job, which was working in the financial markets, and basically bring that online in the form of blogs and teaching people about the markets, things like that. However, I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't really know, I guess, how to start. There was all these things I was learning. I was trying to learn all this stuff all at once. There's so many different things. There's so many different ways that you can monetize online. There's hundreds probably. I don't actually know the exact figure, but there's a lot of them out there, right? And so what I was doing is trying to set up a blog, and I was trying to simultaneously learn SEO and learning all about my hosting account, learning about WordPress, learning about coding, learning about article marketing and how to write, I guess with keyword efficiency, things like that. I was learning about offsite SEO, on-site SEO, keywords, keyword stuffing, meta tags, all that sort of fun stuff that feels like a lifetime ago now. Now what happened is it took me about 6 months before I actually launched anything because I was trying to learn so much stuff. And even then, I didn't really have a daily action plan. I thought, okay, I'll just produce an article today. And so I'd go and spend all my time, I'd do some little bit of keyword research, I'd create this beautiful article, and then I'd put it out there into the world. And I thought, great, this is awesome, yeah, okay. Any second now, the money's gonna rock up any moment. Surely it can't be too far away. And so nothing happened. It took me around about 8 months of me just producing articles and doing all this stuff. And then eventually, after a very long time, I started making a couple of cents here and there, a few little things that I had out on the internet that started making a little bit of traction, like literally just cents. I thought, okay, well, if I can make cents, then I can probably make $1, and I eventually made $1. But a lot of the time, what the problem was is that you needed to make $50 or $100 before the company would actually pay you out. It was like a threshold, right? So here I had all these little bits of money floating around the internet. I'm like, oh, okay, well, it feels kind of real. So I wonder how people are actually blowing this thing up. How are they getting to, 10K per month, 5K per month, or even $1,000 per month? That would be amazing. How are people doing it? So guess what? I gave up on the blogs. I thought, okay, well, there must be a better way. I'm going to try something else. So I don't actually know the sequence of events. I don't know like what I concentrated on next, but I can tell you that I've tried CPA marketing. I did a course on that and learned how to run ads for CPA offers. That didn't really work out that much. I didn't have the bankroll at the time to fund the testing needed for the actual ads themselves. I tried Kindle, I tried e-commerce. I had 3 e-commerce stores at one time. Now admittedly I managed to sell one, so that was cool, and the other one actually produced quite a bit of cash flow, so that was kind of cool too. So I had some success. I'm like, okay, this is brilliant. Here's the thing though, I kept jumping from thing to thing to thing to thing to thing to thing, and eventually it got to the point where I was able to leave the workforce, and then finally something just happened, right? Something just kind of clicked in place. I was running leads for small business, and something actually finally worked, and I was getting clients. I'm like, this is cool, life is brilliant, I've got it all sorted. And eventually, as some of you know the story, eventually I turned back into affiliate marketing, which has kind of been my passion ever since. So why am I telling you guys that? Well, here's the thing, it took me around about 7 years before the affiliate marketing game worked for me. And the interesting thing was that what I was concentrating on for so long was not the thing I needed to be concentrating on. The thing that I needed to be concentrating on was right here, was my big chunky thick skull. And instead what I was concentrating on was the tactics. and I was thinking, oh, well, I need to learn more. The reason why I'm not successful is because I need to learn more stuff. And the problem with that approach is some people or like just naturally have a very strong mindset. They naturally go, okay, well, I'm going to do that thing now, and then my expectation is that it's going to succeed in X amount of time. And so if I work hard, then success will follow. And a lot of people think like that, but I'm not one of those people. For me, I'm probably more of the masses. And a lot of the people that, like I say, that have the same line of thinking is that, okay, well, I just need more knowledge. The reason why I'm not successful is because the gurus know something that I don't. There's a secret traffic source out there, and that's why my blog isn't converting, or there's a secret hack that you need for SEO, and that's why I'm not ranking, or whatever it is. But there's really no secrets. Like, the information is actually out there, and of course, yes, courses and whatnot, they do provide information. They do provide things that are going to expedite your progress online, all that sort of stuff. But realistically, I needed to concentrate on my mindset, and once I started focusing on that, guess what else happened? I managed to simplify my business. I thought, instead of me doing all these things, I sat down with my mentor and he said, look, get rid of all this stuff that's unimportant, that's not important, that you don't need that, that's not producing revenue, that's stupid, that's dumb, like, get rid of all that stuff. And so I worked on two things. I worked on my mindset. I worked on concentrating on the sheer level of opportunity there is out there for absolutely everyone. And I made sure, and it always has been, my reason for doing this has always been very, very strong, my why. And I focused on that. And then, like I say, I simplified my business process, and guess what? $1,000 a day within 7 days of implementing that. It took me that long, 7 years, 8 years, whatever it was, I can't remember now, but basically took me that long to finally click. And then all it took is 7 days. So why am I telling you guys this? Because if you're there thinking that there's some sort of secret thing that, or the gurus are like holding something back from you, or like there's a secret traffic source where everyone just happens to be like, got their credit card waiting for you to like show your offer to them, and then they're going to buy everything, and everything's going to be amazing. You need to work more on your mindset rather than the actual tactics itself. And I'm going to go so far as to say that mindset accounts for well over 80% in my opinion. And the tactics, I mean, you can get tactics from anywhere, right? But if you don't have the mindset behind that, what I would encourage you to do, because a lot of people, I probably wouldn't even know, what do you mean mindset? What is that? Like, I'm like determined. I'm, want to like get this stuff. I feel, I want to make like business. Like, what else do I need? So if you find yourself in that environment and you are still not getting the results that you want, have a really strong, long look at yourself in terms of your beliefs around money, around abundance. Like, are you taking responsibility for yourself? Is it someone else's fault, subconsciously or subconsciously, that you're not getting the results that you want? Is that something that is maybe a belief that's holding you back? Is there something from your childhood that makes you feel like you don't believe in that you deserve the rewards for putting in the labor? Like, start to investigate all these things, and what will happen is you'll have a whole bunch of epiphanies. It's going to be a pain in the butt because it's not an easy pathway, and because it's very hard to sell that as being an easy thing. Oh, easy mindset shifts. All you need to do is like think good thoughts. There you go. Bang, we're all rich now. So it doesn't happen like that. You have to do a lot of inner work, right? So anyway, like I say, if you find that you're not getting the results, I'm going to say chances are it's probably mindset stuff. So put more of your effort into growing your level of consciousness, of your level of abundance, and I guess your reason for doing this, things like that, and the way that you impact others, and really focus on that. And what you'll find is that the tactics then become a lot easier, because they are just tactics. They're just a method, just a tool to get you to there, right? So hopefully that resonates with some of you guys. I know it was an interesting journey for me because it took me so long for everything to finally click into place, but I just knew that, just like a diamond, which is going to be a video for another time, but just like a diamond, I knew that all it's going to take is time and pressure. And if I put enough time into it and there's enough pressure there, it'll turn into a diamond, and it's kind of how it's manifested ever since. So anyway, I want to say a massive thanks for joining me. If you did get any value from this, hit that like button, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear some of your experience as well. If you got any mindset shifts that you've had, any tips that you can perhaps share with everyone, I would love to hear them. Anyway, my name's Jamie. If you'd like to check out the free case study to make 10K or more per month, click that link below. I look forward to catching up with you guys. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.